Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Google Home Mini. So I have ordered this product from flipkart.com. So this is unboxing video. So let's unbox. So I just removed. So these are the things. It is the box. It has like Google Play Music and Philips, Netflix, YouTube, Google Chromecast, and Google Home Mini. And here are a list of things that they're telling you can use for the commands. It's really nice. Let's go to unboxing. Let's gonna remove the cover from this side. I think I just removed it. Okay, here is the Google Home Mini. It's really nice color. It's very dark. It's dark color. The back side it's red one. So we have the audio mute button, and the other one is the power button. So it's not a charging. It's a power button. So I can use for power. It's really crisp and it's really nice to have this device on my hand. So let's see what's there in the box inside. So in the box we just have the manuals. So I'm just going to see what's the manuals. It says let's get started. So need to remove the cover. Just remove the cover. So just plug the app and connect to the open the Google Home app. So just giving some instructions. So just giving some warranty information. That's all we have. And inside the box we have a power adapter. So you can just plug into the power adapter and you can connect this power adapter back to this Google Home Mini. Okay, we don't have anything on the box. Yeah, I think that's all, guys. Actually, I want to make a full video on how to set up everything. So the video is on the way. So I'll tell you how to configure the initial setup and how to connect everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe this channel, and if you have any questions you can just post on this comment section. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.